This is your time for a brain break so you can get into your body. Aim for feeling good over looking good. You deserve it. Have fun.
Let's begin. Toes in and out. Yes, let's do it on the other side. Picking up, placing the foot. We'll do that quicker this time. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Here comes a finger flick. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Here comes a finger flick. Yes, have a little dance. 7, 8, and yeah. 5, 6, 7. Here's your finger flick. Now a free dance. Take the movement through the space any way you like. Yeah, get going. You can take your movement lower, higher, around. Yes. Good going. 6 and 7, and we'll turn the toes in. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6, 7. Here comes the 8. Finger flip. You got it. 5 and 8. Eyes can take a look around. 5 and 6 and 8. You got it. 6, 7. Ready for the free dance. Your way. Use the space the way your body wants to use it. Does not matter what it looks like. You can treat it as an experiment. Right on. 5 and 6. Getting ready for the toes to turn in and out. Here it comes. 2, 6, 7. Finger flick coming up. 6, 7, and 4, 3, 2, 1. 4. Beautiful. Thank you. Have a great day.